Thanks everybody. Welcome back to Behavior. This is Pink Frock Yellow Boots working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. A major thing that we all deal in our life is supporting someone through grief. If you look for explanation for what is grief, it simply states disappointment, loss, a feeling of deep emotional turmoil felt by somebody when they lose someone near or dear to them. A major thing that happens is that people who have to go and support them don't really understand how to do it, what to say, what not to say. It becomes a difficult thing to deal with when it comes to supporting someone through grief. Here are a few pointers that one can keep in mind and consider when supporting someone through grief. We all will have certain situations where we will need somebody supporting us in our grief, or we will have to go to somebody and support them in their grief. When this happens, the foremost thing is to not ask them how they are. It is very obvious that they are not well. Second is telling them that this is God's will, what was to happen has happened. These are things that doesn't aid in any way. They don't help them. When you are planning to support them, the best thing is to go there and give your presence. Supporting them in the task other than what they have to fulfill. Making sure if their meals can be taken care of, like the close kins and families who are around, should make sure that food is being provided to the people who are grieving deeply. Also, listening to them rather than giving them advice is far better and helpful during supporting someone in grief. Telling them that they need to grieve and their grieving is not invalidated in a manner through your actions and word is very important. A lot of things don't happen directly, but indirectly you have to be there. So when this happens, make sure as a friend, as a neighbor, as a supporter, that you take care of the regular daily needs, making sure giving them time to cry, to feel their sadness. Also, telling them that hope is there, a hope that they are stronger than what they are going through, a hope that after their grieving they'll bounce back to their life. It is also important to be considerate that a normal grieving process happens with everybody. A lot of time keeping their emotions inside, sulking, or displacing their emotion may lead to other mental health concerns in the coming future. Also, making sure that what you say as a supporter you will be able to carry forward. If you say that you will take care of certain things, make sure you will be able to make time and give that amount of energy to that task and complete it, rather than just saying it and not doing anything. Temporary support will cause a lot more damage. Be upfront about what you can do, what you cannot. Don't give them false hopes. Don't make false promises during a person's weak time. If you have nothing to say, don't make it a point not to mention the person. It is all right to tell them that how you would be missing the person who is gone, or how you are feeling for the loss they have suffered. If you see someone who is not able to come out of their grief even after considerable amount of time, as well as that grief affecting their life in a manner that is making it difficult for them to have a normal regular living, it is important that you seek professional help. If you are feeling confused or doubtful of how you will be able to deal with it, this is something that will happen when you are starting to deal with it in the initial phases. It is always difficult to support people who are going through the loss of a loved one. But that is what human relationships are for. We have to support each other in our griefs, in their grief, and we have to learn it. It is a skill that is mandatory, that is important to support people we love to bounce back after having lost somebody close to them. Always make sure that you don't say things that invalidate or cause discomfort to them. Try aiding and helping them in regular daily life things that are possible. Hope this helps. Have a good week ahead. Keep safe.